lot of brides come to me and ask for this very glowy look. So I really love using the Milk makeup products today, and I didn't powder her too much because I really wanted that shine to come through, that very dewiness to come through. Using cream products is one of my new faves. It's a very romantic hairstyle because it is not pulled tightly. It's very loose looking. Even though it's secure, the hair still looks airy and light and almost effortless.